Now, have you had your iPhone turn into an expensive paperweight for no good reason? One minute it's your phone and the next it's demanding a passcode you definitely don't remember, or an Apple ID that belongs to someone else who is probably living a completely different life now. So whether it's a forgotten code, a second-hand device with badges, or a phone that logged itself after too many wrong guesses, being shut out is peak frustration, and Apple usual fixes don't exactly make it easier. And that's exactly where an amazing tool called TenorShare for You Key comes in. Think of it as a shortcut through all that iPhone drama. It helps you get past lock screen, remove Apple ID without the password, bypass activation lock, get rid of MDM restriction, and even bring disabled iPhone back to life. And no, you don't need to be good with tech. If you can follow on-screen instruction, you're good to go. Now when you open the tool, you will notice how refreshingly simple everything looks. No clutter, no confusing menus, just clear options telling you exactly what each feature does. It's like having multiple iPhone recovery tools rolled into one neat, easy to use setup. In a moment, I'll walk you through how it works in real life so you can see just how quickly it can turn a logged iPhone back into a usable one. Now when you open the app, the very first thing that you will notice is a big option called Unlock Lock Screen. That's the one you use when your iPhone decides to lock you out and act like it doesn't know you anymore. Tap on that because this is where the whole process starts. Now first you will need to download the software on your computer. I will leave a download link in the description down below so you don't have to search for it. Once it is installed, connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. In most cases, the app will recognize your phone almost immediately. If it doesn't, don't worry. Just put your iPhone into recovery mode or DFU mode and the software will pick it up. Next, the tool will ask you to download the correct iOS firmware for your device. You simply choose where you want to save the file on your computer, click the download and wait for it to finish. Now this part depends on your internet speed, so it might take a few minutes. Once the firmware is downloaded, you can start the unlocking process. Now just a quick head up, this step will erase all the data on your phone and install the latest version of iOS. So make sure you have a backup if your data is important. After that, keep your iPhone connected and let the software do its job. When you see the success message, your iPhone will be unlocked and ready to use it again. So that's how easy it is to unlock your iPhone using this amazing tool. Now another really useful feature that this tool has to offer is the ability to remove an Apple ID. And the good news is it's not complicated at all. If you can plug in a charging cable, you're already halfway there. Just connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable and click the option that clearly says it will unlock or remove the Apple ID. No guessing, no hidden menus. Now before the process begins, your iPhone will ask for the device passcode and whether you trust this computer. Once you enter the passcode and tap trust, the tool takes over and starts removing the Apple ID from the device. Everything happens in a clear guided way with on-screen instruction telling you exactly what to do next. So even if tech stuff usually makes your head spin, you can relax. The process is straightforward, beginner friendly and easy to follow from start to finish. Finally, there is one more handy feature worth talking about, which is the ability to remove your screen time passcode. This is especially useful if you have accidentally logged yourself out of certain apps or settings and can't remember the code you set ages ago. So instead of stressing over it, this tool helps you remove those limits in much simpler way. One big relief here is that removing the screen time passcode doesn't erase any of your data. Your apps, photos and settings stays exactly where they are. Overall, the tool doesn't try to overwhelm you with unnecessary extras. It focuses on doing a few important things really well and walks you through each step clearly, so you always know what's happening. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have found it useful, and if you do, then do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid.